Hi everyone. Now that we have completed this session about Git and GitHub, we thought why not we certify our viewers, like, so that would be useful for them, right? So many of us will be watching YouTube contents, and then we will learn things, but at the end of the day we don't have some proof or something. So we thought, okay, we can get the students or the professionals certified after they finish the course. So I'll be putting the link of this form in the description. So once you finish your course, you can just fill all the details of this form, and in this you have, would you like to take assessment to get certified? So once you give yes, so we will send the assessment questions to your email id, and you will be submitting us with the answers, and once we get that, we'll be certifying you based upon the score you receive, so that you have a valid certificate as well with you stating that you have done a beginner's course on Git and GitHub. I think that would be useful for most of you guys, right? So yeah, let's see with another series. So I would wish that everyone would subscribe our channel, and we can reach through much more audience. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that we would bring upon many new contents like this, which will be helpful for everybody at free of cost, and also getting certified after that. Thanks.